It's DJ Atomic 985 here from YouTube. I'm making another quick video today because I've got more Christmas presents for my dad. So I thought I'd make a quick boxing. We'll get to that later. I'll show you the box it come in. I'm filming this in my lounge room / kitchen for something. Here is the box. It's a hair. It's a hair grooming kit where you can groom your beard or trim your beard or trim your hair. So there's the front. There's the side. Hopefully you can see it right. And here's the back. And here's the other side. So there's 4 sides to it for the box. First off, we have the book, which tells you what every piece is for. There's a book. There's a book. And here's some kind of stand or something. Here's the stand. It's a plastic one. And that's a normal standard stand. And we have another book. But wait, we have more books. We have another one. And we have one more. So there's 4 books in here. But hang on, let's have this here for you. We got 4 books in this one box. I think that they might think we're a bit dumb, because I sent 4 usernames. And now we have the first packet. We have all the different hair attachments for the unit. And you got the kind and the oil for the steel. And we've got the power cord, which is a 9 volt, I think. Yep, we can know about a normal know about transformer. And now for the good part now. See how that was just that whole thing off. Now first off, I'll show you all the different attachments. If I can get them out. Here, I think, is one. I have no idea what that's for. Hopefully you guys can see it. But there was about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's about 6 different weird things here. But I'll show you the main unit. Here's the main unit. There's the main unit. It's quite heavy. And it is steel. And the way you go like that. But they got all these different attachments. Here, so that's how it sounds. It's battery operated. So it's a nice little unit. Yeah, so that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I just want to say thanks to my dad and Jackie for this, because I was looking at buying one, but not quite this good. Cause I've seen one on the TV, but yeah. So I just want to say thanks to Dad and Jackie for buying it for me. So now I can trim my beer up. Yeah. Right, if you want to follow me on Twitter, I will put the link into the sidebar. Alright, cool. Catch you soon. Peace.